Are you feeling down and out? Tired all the time? Just an overall lack of enthusiasm and adventure in your life? Well, I'm going to share with you how I managed to keep these feelings away while having a good time and getting what I need out of life. In today's video, getting closer to nature, spending time outdoors. One of my favorite things to do is to just go for a walk, plain and simple. It gets the blood flowing and the brain working. Did you know that with just under 10,000 steps a day, around 9,800 to be exact, your risk of having dementia in later years is reduced by a whopping 50%. There's also a 25% lower risk for those who walked about 3,800 steps a day. Another one of my favorite things to do is to just find a nice place to sit, relax, and hang out. I like to take in my surroundings. Usually, I would be at the beach, sitting in the sand, watching the water, and listening to the waves. Or next to any body of water, really. I find this to be really relaxing and very beneficial to my mental health. Next up is honestly the most fun and freeing experience out of all the things that I am sharing with you. That would be riding my motorcycle. I truly cannot put into words what driving on two wheels does for my heart, mind, and soul. It makes me feel full inside without a bite to eat. Now I understand not everyone can just hop on a motorcycle and get this feeling. But this is just what it does for me. You can easily find what does it for you, or you may already know. In which case, just get out and do it regularly. You won't regret it. Something else I enjoy doing every day that I like to take outside is working out. I usually do this inside before a shower, but some days I like to take my routine outdoors, and it always goes so much better. I always end up staying longer, doing more, and pushing myself harder when I am outside working out. This is because natural light increases your productivity, reduces stress, and boosts overall mental health. Finally, last but not least, a big one I enjoy doing is bike riding. You can almost always catch me riding my bike sometime during the week. It is recommended to spend at least 20 active minutes and 40 mindful minutes in the nature each day. An hour spent outdoors can increase concentration and attention span significantly. I do all of these things, and they help tremendously. I find that I'm well balanced, and my mental health is greatly increased by these practices. If I could ask you one thing to take away and try at home, I would ask you to find a loved one or a friend, or anybody that you have fun with, really, and go get lost in any activity you choose for 15 to 20 minutes. Go get closer to nature. I'll see you out there, guys.